2, where we dive into the best tips and tricks for natural beauty and wellness. If you've noticed your feet looking a bit dull or discolored and want a brighter, more even tone, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm thrilled to share some fantastic DIY remedies that will help whiten your feet naturally, right from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's essential to understand why our feet can become darker. It could be due to sun exposure, pollution, improper footwear, or even accumulated dead skin. Our first remedy focuses on exfoliation and deep cleansing using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Here's what you'll need for our lemon sugar scrub: 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, juice of half a lemon. This combination not only exfoliates, but also has natural bleaching properties thanks to the lemon. Mix these ingredients in a bowl until you get a coarse paste. Apply this scrub to your feet, gently massaging in a circular motion for about 5 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. You can use this scrub twice a week for best results. Our next remedy is a soothing yogurt and turmeric mask. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties, while yogurt is excellent for moisturizing and skin lightening. For this mask, you'll need 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix these until you have a smooth paste. Apply this paste evenly on your feet. Leave it for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. This mask can be applied 3 times a week to help reduce pigmentation and improve overall skin tone. Our final remedy for today is the potato slice rub. Potatoes contain catecholase, an enzyme that has natural bleaching properties. Simply cut a few slices of raw potato and rub them directly on your feet for about 10 minutes. After rubbing, let the juice sit for another 5 minutes before rinsing it off. Do this daily for best results. There you have it. 3 simple and natural remedies to help you achieve whiter, brighter feet. Remember, consistency is key with any skincare routine, so give these treatments some time to show their effects. If you try any of these, let us know your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.